dark time.
Oh,
That's
this
not
hurts
very
my
big.
ears.
Yeah,
Oh, yay!
gotta have some of
Screamer.
those. Huh?
It's a screamer.
It's a screamer.
It gets bigger and bigger each time it goes.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Pop these. What's gonna happen now? Pop. Don't explode on Larry.
Yay.
Whee! No.
It's too dark. I can't see you.
What should I do next on my homework? Oh yeah, tie shoes, zip up my coat, and goodbye.
Ew. Whoa, that's really cool.
Wow!
It's falling out of the sky.
That was awesome!
Do another one of that.
That was so cool. I thought it was gonna land on me.
Still too dark. I can't see you.
No, you
Still
can
can't
pick
see.
that up and then
Still can't see you. Oh, cool, the big one. The person's house.
Uh-oh, what's gonna happen now? Dunno.
It's gonna explode.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
Who's going to sleep?
No one.
Dun, 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 dun. Another one.
Where's mommy? That's not mommy. That's grandma. Grandma. That's not grandma. Grandma doesn't drive a van.
Grandma,
Grammy. Grammy.
Car. Get out of the way, car.
Whoa. That's like Christmas
I thought it would be
tree
bigger.
lights going on and off, on and off.
It looks like your Christmas tree. Remember, it's like
Yeah.
you know, shiny and stuff. It's
Setting off
gray,
and
shiny
explosion.
stuff. Yeah.
Got put up on gravel.
That's it. It's almost done.
No, it's not done.
No,
yet.
I said it's almost done.